Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error message on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer where it failed to connect to a Windows service. Windows cannot connect to the service. The problem prevents standard users from signing in. As an administrative user, you can review these settings. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select yes. And now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video here, guys. First one is a DISM scan. So go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and paste that in, hit enter and give that a minute to run. Okay, so once that's done running, go ahead and copy the second command I'm going to have in the description of my video. It's a system file checker utility. Go ahead and copy that, and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window again, right click on it, select edit and paste that in, hit enter. Okay, so once that has concluded, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point the issue should have been resolved and you should be able to connect back to whatever service you were having the issue with. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.